Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I gonna show you how to change DNS providers in Windows PC. So firstly click on Start and search Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. Select View by as category and after that click on Network and Internet. Now in here click on Network and Sharing Center. Now click on your internet connection. In my case I am using Wi-Fi, so click on it and click on Properties. Now in here click on Internet Protocol version for TCP and click on Properties. Now friends, if you want to change DNS provider, so click on Use the following DNS server address. Check this box, Validate settings upon exit and type here Preferred DNS server and Alternative DNS server and after that click on OK. So friends, by this very easy and simple setting, you can change DNS providers in Windows PC. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update.